How to fix this phone number cannot be used for verification on Gmail account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. So why are you seeing this error message in the first place? Well, there are a couple of reasons behind it. Your phone number may have been used too many times for Gmail verifications. Likewise, Google detects suspicious activity associated with the phone number, such as frequent account creation attempts. Google has put these measures in place to protect users from abuse and ensure the security of its services. But don't worry, we have got some solutions for you. One option is to try using a different phone number that you have never used to create Gmail account before. This could be from a family member or a friend who gives you permission. Alternatively, you can use a virtual private network or VPN to bypass these restrictions. You can open your App Store or Play Store. Then you can go ahead and type in VPN and search for it. Different app options will appear. You can go ahead and download any of these. Then you can go ahead and connect to any of the new server. By masking your IP address, a VPN can make it appear as though you are attempting to create an account from a different location. Go ahead and click on this icon, and just with that you will be connected to the fastest location. And there you have it, some effective solutions to fix this phone number cannot be used for verification on a Gmail account error. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.